Hello, hello. I'm assuming that I'm okay on the audio. Gotta plug in my headphones right quick. It's testing. All right, yeah, all right. I think I may have lost audio. I'm not sure whether I did or not. All right. Yeah, so it seems like hopefully y'all can hear me. If you can't, just let me know somehow. Like just leave a comment or something. I'm also gonna pull up the stream on Twitch. All right, yeah, looks like everything is good. Y'all can see one of my screens. All right. Oh man, now it's laggy. Oh my gosh, I can't deal with this. Look at that. I can take my hands off and then it responds. Something's going on. Give me a second to figure out what's causing the instability of my system. Sounds like my friend is either leaving or he just got here. I can hear his car. All right, let's create my theme for today. It's the second month, 25th day. And what do I want to do? So I want to migrate away from NextAuth and use Supabase auth instead. So. Okay. I'm sure there's other things that I want to do, but let's get this auth thing done first, because that's going to require a little bit more effort, I think. Mainly because I don't know what I'm doing. That's just me being honest. Let's see what's going on my system where it's like laggy. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on, but maybe it's not that big of a deal. Gone. All right, it appears to be gone. It's now, let's see. There's still a little bit of delay. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm streaming. I don't know. Deal with it though. All right, so I want to move away from whatever I'm using, and I think before I do that, I should probably deal with this giant commit to see what's going on there. And the reason why I want to do that is because there's a high likelihood that I'm going to break something, so I want to have another branch where I can be a little bit safe. All right, so I definitely want to do the env example, ESLint, get ignore, next config. Yep, all that looks good. Package JSON. Does this have What does this have? All right, this is using NextAuth with the Prisma adapter, so that's fine. I'm gonna keep it as is for now. All right, it's using Tailwind, prettier integration. There's a schema which I will leave. I don't like it, but I'll leave it for now. All right, readme, yeah, whatever. I don't care. I'll leave that for now. So it looks like this is just the result of running that create T3 app. We'll just call it Bootstrap T3 project. And yeah, let's publish this. Do I not have a repo for that? Let's see. Repo lists. Wait, why? Was I calling it fluffy palm tree? Yes, I was. All right, cool. Yeah, cool. So I don't have a YTT gen. At least I don't think I do. No, I don't. Okay, so then we'll do that. And I wonder if I created anything here for that. Didn't. All right, it looks like I didn't create a document for what YTTG gen is, but oh wait. No, maybe I did. If I open this right here. Is it view? Probably can't. Oh, it did. Okay. All right. It doesn't matter. The order. That's dope. All right. Do I have anything? No, of course not. Of course. Why would I do anything? All right. So what is YTT Gen? It is a AI assistant to generate YouTube titles and thumbnails, given a video description. And I'm going to keep it private for now, but technically this isn't private, and it's going to live here. It has to live here because if I ever want to deploy this, which I do, which I think the fluffy palm thing is deployed. Now that I think about it. Let's see. Is this not deployed? All right, well, I guess this isn't deployed. That's all right. Maybe I'll add that to my list. So we'll say deploy. Yeah, we'll just say deploy YTTG for now. You know what? Let me move this out of the way. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a lot more going on here. All right, let me get some of this off because this is work stuff. Can't have that. Not on the weekend. Although that is my fallback. I'm not even gonna lie. Working. If I can't get this, if I can't make any decent progress on this, working is my next best option. Sorry, I'm closing windows. That's why I'm silent. And you can't see what I'm closing because it's on another screen for a reason. Let's make sure there's nothing behind here that's not public. Oop. Close all of that. Okay, we're good there. All right, cool. Let's throw this on the side monitor. All right, cool. All right, I'm also going to close some like extraneous stuff that I probably don't need to have open, since my computer is, you know, not going as fast as I would like it to go. All right, cool. Still a lot of lag. Not happy about that. All right, and I guess I can move my docs to the main screen. All right, so I have the docs for T3 up. I have the Supabase docs up. I also need to look at the NextAuth docs, I guess, because there might be some things happening that, you know, I don't understand because it's coming from this. Let me do a setting right quick. All right, yeah, that fixes these windows that you can't see. They're showing up on all of my screens, and it was really annoying. All right, so this is NextAuth. I don't truly understand like what its purpose is. I mean, I do, but I don't know. For my use case, for what I'm trying to do, Supabase handles that, and I'm okay with that. Whereas I think with this, I don't know. I'm just gonna yank it out. That's what's about to happen. What the? Why did that do that? All right. I suppose I can make this a tad bit bigger. So I know that NextAuth is something of importance, right? So I'm going to look for any place where I import that. When I say I import that, I really mean it's imported. I didn't import any of this. This was all auto-generated, the way it should be. All right, so a few files are used. It looks like the schema. Oh wait, did I commit that? Yeah, I did. Before I go any further, let me create this new branch. So this is move to Supabase. Sure, there's nothing on the branch to publish, but sure, I'll publish it. I'll do it. All right. Wait, this is a schema, right? This is coming from somewhere. Something expects. I can't even talk. Something expects a verification token, a user, a session. Like all of these are things that like we may have, but something within NextAuth likely. Oh, it literally says it right there. Oh my gosh, it says it in English. Necessary for NextAuth. All right, now I want to find where it says this for NextAuth, and then I need to find what's required for Supabase. And technically, I don't really need to figure out what's required for Supabase, because I could just have Supabase create the auth tables or whatever they're called and try to import it. Oh wait, no, I can't. Yes, I forgot. Supabase doesn't have multi-schema support, or it didn't. Let's see if it has multi-schema support. Wait, did I say Prisma or Supabase? It's Prisma that doesn't have it. We'll use Google for this. Is it possible now? Oh shit, you could do it now? Oh, it's preview. Okay. All right, well, I guess we're about to preview this. All right, I think. Oh, whoa! What's that? All right, hold on. I don't know if anyone notices this. Let me zoom in. And what? Okay, zoom. Oh wow, I can't zoom in. All right. Let me unlock, and then we'll zoom in. All right, pay attention to what's happening on the right part of the screen. Notice that this is underlined, right? That's what happens. See? Animates and underlines. That's cool. I like that. That's kind of dope. All right, cool. So now that I know that this supports multiple schemas, yeah, this might be a lot easier than I thought it was, because now I should be able to just generate the schema file from the database. Dang. They got for planet scale, but where's the one for Supabase? We need the Supabase one. All right, let's create my Supabase project. Oops. All right, I guess I can do it this way. Oh, I'm not signed in. Okay, well, interesting. Okay. I hate these authenticator things that make me have to have my phone nearby. It just so happens I have it nearby right now, but it's not usual for me to just have a phone next to me. Well, I guess this phone, but it doesn't have any of the authentication stuff I need. Interesting. This is still open. Does that mean that... Oh, okay. No, it's not getting a request. Why is this still open? All right, I don't care. It's okay. Let's create YTT gen. That's definitely not the pass. What the? That's definitely not the password. Supabase. Man, I've already forgot the name of the damn thing that I just called it. Look at that. Now that's a password. That's a password right there. I invite you to try to guess. No, don't try and guess it. Don't do that. It wouldn't help me to just steal this. Like, yeah, so I am gonna have to actually do work still. All right, let's see if it generated a auth table. Yes, look at all that auth. All right, now let's see what's in the public. Nothing. All right, so what's gonna happen is all of this is gonna get deleted, I think. And I'm going to point Prisma to this database. Oh man, I forgot I'm doing a house showing today. I need to. I shouldn't. All right, I got to try not to get too lost in what I'm doing. All right, so this has the stuff that I need. There should be a way to like pull this down locally using Supabase CLI. I want to make sure I have the latest, but I don't remember how I installed this. Is there not a version? What am I missing? NDB. Is there not a thing that tells me the version? What about if I just try it? 138. Okay. I'm gonna hope and pray that I did this with Homebrew. Is it brew update, upgrade? I don't know which one it is. Okay, no. All right, perfectly. It gives me like a an error. Normally, I wouldn't care about these things being out of date, but I do know that Supabase uses Deno for stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade. Or will I upgrade? Maybe I won't. No, I am. Nope, no, I won't. Ah, shit. While that happens, let's see how to pull down a Supabase project. Local network. Here we are. Projects. Pretty sure that's it. So Supabase projects. Let's see what we get back. List. Did I not type list? No, I didn't. TTGen. All right, here we are. I'm assuming that that ID is important somehow. All right, so all I get is creating lists. Is there a way I can pull down a project? Link. Okay. Let's see what happens if I just, well, before I even do it, let me go into the directory that I'm in, which I have no idea where this is located, this project. Let's see, reveal in Finder. We are, oops. Code devlog TTGen. Okay. What? Our database password. Interesting. Know if I have a database password. What? I'm gonna leave it blank. No, okay. Doesn't like that. Okay, there's technically not a Supabase project in here. So I guess I have to create it, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. I've never done it this way. I'm normally kind of done everything from scratch, but I suppose I have to do this from scratch. Yeah. All right. So then, wait. Wonder if I can create a new project, if that will initialize the stuff locally, or if that's only going to do something on Supabase. I'm just gonna, all right, I'm gonna initialize a new project. Fuck it. All right. Now let's see if I can link it into your database password. Okay, let me, I'm gonna use the new password that I've just done. Valid, no. Does it want a project ref then? I can do that too. I have one of those. No. What if I put it on there like that? It'd just be a case of the error messages. No. Right, that didn't, okay, that didn't do anything. Okay, let's do it this way. Supabase, link, project ref. That's gonna, what is going on with my machine today? It's weird. Stuff is appearing on the wrong monitor. Like, I don't understand. I'm like, okay. All right, so, okay, sure. These flags are optional. I'm not gonna just pass, I'm not gonna just move on from this. This says the flags are optional. What I just did shows that the flags are in fact not optional. At least for my use case. All right, so now that this is linked, what can I do? Like, what does that enable me to do? I can run CodeGen. I can... Is that all I can do? It's CodeGen. I can also create the database. I can also do that. Oh, it needs to, okay. Let's start up Docker then. Wait, what just happened? Did iTerm just quit? No, okay. I think Docker restarted an image that it had open the last time I was doing it. And I need to update to the latest. All right, so it's this right here. This is why it's upset. So when I started Docker, it then started it started this container. Let me stop it. Don't do that. Oh. Okay. Will it tell me which application? Okay. All right. Fine. I will stop it manually. So that's somewhere in code. I think this was a One Signal developers project. Yeah. This is likely the Supabase project. Yeah, Supabase. Stop. Once this is stopped, I'll upgrade Docker. Yeah, go over good. Or update to the latest or whatever. And I have to do this. Like, I don't really get much of a choice because I don't pay for it. Look at this, almost an hour in, I haven't accomplished anything. Look at that. So you may be wondering, why am I going through all this effort to get Supabase installed first instead of just creating a schema manually myself? And that's slightly a good question. I don't like tedious things. And there's still a likelihood that I'm gonna have to fall back to the tedious thing. So if I'm unable to point Prisma to this database and have it perform like introspection and be able to generate my schema for me, then this is all a waste of time. But I'm hoping that it's not a waste of time. Now there is one thing that I am gonna probably want to create here. Maybe not. I can create it here as well. Is a profile table, and how this is gonna work is, let's assume that I don't want to give. Oops. I don't want to give my Oh gosh. Let's assume that I don't want to give my application access to any of these schemas. Let me find it. Table. No. Yeah. So let's say I don't want to give anyone any access to any of these things here, except for Supabase. If I wanted to do that, I would have to have a table that's here that has some of the data that I need to access my auth table. Hopefully that makes sense. It probably doesn't. But what I would have here in this auth table, there should be like an ID here, or users table. Yeah, here. So this is gonna have an ID. So what I want to happen is, whenever someone logs in, which the Supabase client is gonna handle, it's going to insert a record into this table as well as some of these other tables. But the one that we care about is users. And every user has an ID. I want to take that ID and make that the primary key of a table here. Right? And the idea is that whenever someone logs in, that's their ID. And I can pull up their profile information here and do all the things that I need to do here. And I can then just not have to worry about like an auth table, if that makes sense. All right, so I think a good first step is to pull out all of this NextAuth stuff. Yeah, we'll just pull all that out. And then this account, this is going to become my profile table. Yeah, we'll keep example. This isn't going to stay here. This will become a Postgres SQL. All right. I will not need any of these things. Supabase abstracts all of that, I believe, for me. We won't have this delete be on Cascade. We'll leave that alone. Provider account. Nope. Don't need that. Also, this will not be a default. The reason why it won't be a default is because it's coming from another table, and we'll have a database trigger or something to insert into here. Session, none of this crap I don't need anymore. Delete it all. Invitation, I don't need that either. All right. I'm gonna delete this. And no, I'm not actually gonna delete it. I think I'm gonna need something like it. So I'm gonna do Supabase off. I think. Let me confirm. Maybe I don't even need that. Let's see. It's for next. I don't know what it is, but I am gonna run this command from the internet. NextAuth, whatever that is. Okay. Is that all? Oh, dude, they had yarn here. I didn't even have to work. And nah, gosh. This is why you should read before you do things. All right, cool. Well, this doesn't wait. Does it change? Oh, it changes everything to yarn. All right, that's dope. Wait, what did I just run? Oh, it generated the Prisma client for me? Oh my gosh, that's dope. I wonder if it updated the schema Prisma or whatever this is. No, it didn't. Oh wait, let me finish the task. Gosh, what was here? I forgot. Yeah, NextAuth. So the reason why I did that is that I wanted it to pull it up as problems. And I can just go and fix those. Do this so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Do some of that action right there. All right, so first things first, I need to go into the app and wrap. I need to use another session provider, so I don't want to use their session provider. I'm going to use another one. All right, and we're going to do this thing right here. Almost acting as if I haven't imported this thing that's right here. Did I just wait, what did I think I deleted the wrong thing earlier. No, I didn't. All right, there we are. Cool, we're good. Oh wait, no, we're not good. We're better. All right, and then I need to use a session provider, whatever that is. Session provider, session context provider. And that's going to take a Supabase client and an initial session. So we'll pass in the Supabase client there. Do some of that action. All right, how are they getting session? Oh, it's being passed in. Okay, all right. Trying to restart TypeScript server. This thing, that should be a type. Man, I don't want semicolons. Prettier. No semicolons. It's a strong enough opinion for me to actually go through this and figure out how to do it. It needs to be a JSON file. No? What? I have another project that I can refer to that I do this. I can't listen to whatever that song is. It's trash. Why isn't... Okay, alright, well then, alright, something's broken on my machine. So I'm gonna have to look for this manually. Or I could just do the command manually like so. We'll do this. We're looking for prettier. We are. So it is here. So I'll paste whatever's in here. Just dump it into here. Look at that. So I'll have to do that across the project at some point, but I still have no idea why this isn't working. Oh, okay, wait, okay. So let's do this. So we'll do, we'll delete that. Copy it, but this time we'll say import type. Session. All right, cool. Now this is still an issue, and that's because I need to import React. Import use state. React. Now this create browser client thing. Why is this tripping? Unsafe return of an any typed value. Okay. Well, that's what they have. So I don't know. I don't really know. Wonder why that any is there. Databases typed as any. I saw this right here. It says generated with the Supabase CLI. But it should have generated the Prisma thing for me. I thought that's... I don't know. Saw that it generated something here where it said, wait, does it have it? Yeah, I saw this. Where are these types at? Seeing if you use Prisma, does it generate the files and put them somewhere else? Wait, I thought the command was generate. Am I? It's just. Oh, okay. All right. Never mind. I'm done. I lose a place? Did I lose my place somewhere? I think I did. I wonder, how do I get the types out of here? That's what I want, I think. Or maybe I don't want that. Maybe I don't want that. It should tell me that. Let's see, is there a create client? Why isn't that inserting that into the thing? It's supposed to insert it. All right, more stuff I gotta figure out while my machine suddenly stopped working in weird and specific ways. Put it in the wrong place. We'll move that into common. Oh, okay. And let's also move common to source. Explains why I couldn't find it. I should be able to just import this. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Man, it's still not happy. It's still not happy about that. This definitely isn't any. I'm also not even sure, like, what are these types of? Like, what is this from? Oh, functions. Okay. All right, wait. All right, so we have tables, views, functions, enums. I see. I see. It's literally the client. No, how about I just straight up copy paste? Let's just do that. Best kind of copy and paste, the straight up kind. It's still unhappy. All right, so I was not expecting to get these types of errors. Wonder if I should give it, no, I don't have to. It says it's optional. Here, let's read this. Let's actually go to the type definition. I've given it a type for the database, and the schema is saying it is literally it just extends whatever's in a database. Public schema. It should be giving me access to all of these things, and in the past it did. Now it's not, and I don't understand why. Is this? Why is everything any? I wonder if their session is just any. That doesn't make sense. Why did it take me there? It should take me to that type definition, but it didn't. I wonder if Visual Studio is just acting stupid right now. I wonder if I also need to install Supabase. Could it also be that? I don't think I actually installed Supabase. Watch that be it? It would be something stupid too. Yes. Now it knows that it's a session or null, at least. Before it was just saying any. Let's see what else is upset. Well, I know that's broken. Database does this. Does this still give me an any? Okay, it doesn't. Alright, so let's just restart TypeScript. Is Deno running this? Is Deno running this? Nah, it's definitely TypeScript. I shouldn't still be getting this error. Like, that should go away. I'm going to restart Visual Studio. Close this for now. Just going to open up classic Visual Studio. Oh, look at that. Magically, all of the things went away. Oh my gosh. when you can't trust your tools, it's not fun. All right, so that's now done. Man, I wonder if it's how long this has actually been fine, and it's just been me trying to figure out an error that actually didn't exist. All right, so I now have my Supabase client, and let's do the server side part. So on my end, I think that the place that I need to go is the TRPC router, but I think I need to fix this all first. NextAuth has a default session. I almost feel like I don't need any of these anymore. Yeah, I don't think I need any of this. And this is now upset, but I also don't think I need this either. I'm gonna rename this to Supabase. Oh, it already is, so yeah, we'll just copy all of this and do that. All right, the database comes from common. This is a perfect time to create a like an alias or whatever you call those things. groups. Delete files. Yes, I did. Okay. This is why we do things using Git. Also, I'm gonna create another alias for that. Prisma, why is this upset? Gosh, again, this should not be the case. Understand this right here. Just get server auth session. Like, I think I understand that. So the way that they're saying to get this session is to create a Supabase client, which can take in the request and the response. And there's a helper, I think, that will pull off the thing that we need. They have this hook that does it. I'm not confident I can use that hook. So I will do this right here. Why did that import get added? Or database? Oh, wow. Okay, that's weird. Wait a minute, what? All right, this is the weirdest thing. All right, I think this could be the same issue from last time. Let me go ahead and delete this. I don't think I need that anymore. If I do, I'll just re-add it. Yeah, I'm not sure why that's still tripping out. I'm gonna restart and then reopen eventually and see if it goes away. This isn't even my code. Like, what the hell? All right, so that's the only issue right now is Prisma. Yeah, it's not up. I don't know. So I'm gonna just restart the server first. Look at that. The errors go away magically. I'm not a fan of whatever. Like, I don't know if it's project configuration settings or what, but like, I'm not a fan of that. I wonder if I can like run this now. I don't see any more errors, so I'm just gonna try it. Let's see what happens. Nope, error. Okay, sure. That error does make sense. I'm gonna pull this off to the side because there might be important things here. There are hacks. Look at that. Okay, so the error is regarding not having a couple environment variables set. Audio on my microphone keeps going out. I don't know why. All right, we have the anonymous key. Paste that in there. All right, now we can come back to here. There's an, oh, here it is, the MVV file. So let me put these new things in there. Oops. Those are local. So like, just keep that in mind. We also have for some reason my mic keeps going out in this software. Something's corrupted. May need to do a machine restart at some point. Did it just go? No, okay. Every time I hear a pop or a click, I'm like, it must have went out. I wonder if it's the music too. I just don't like the music. This definitely shouldn't be public. Neither should this. Oh wait, no. I think this does need to be public. Yeah, I think I was right the first time. These need to be public. Oops. Now this will be a string. My audio keeps messing up. I'm gonna have to reroute audio a different way. All right, we'll save that. So I get rid of the error. Yep, cool, we're good. Nope. Something's not happy. NextAuth. Why is that still here? I thought I removed everything with NextAuth. Did I not do that? No, obviously I didn't. Okay. This should have 0 references. This should have 1 reference, but I'm gonna delete this file for real this time. Do we still get it? Okay, it didn't. Okay. Oh no. All right. Now here we are again. So somewhere I'm using use session. Oh my. Okay, of course. All right. Not going to use this. We're now instead going to use something from Supabase. No. Is it Supabase like this? No. I'm not sure. Let's try Supabase slash something. No. That. Or not. Let's see. Auth client. No idea. Oh, it's still coming from the helper. Okay. I've never used this helper. This is new to me. We're gonna do this stuff here. Data, set data. Don't need it here. I need it for here. not a use session? I thought I saw a use session. That's really what I want. Oh no, that's what I'm using. What I want is to be able to just get the stuff without having to await. That's really what I want. But I suppose I'm gonna have to put this in state, I guess. Do it in a use effect. Wait, this isn't, I don't want that. I actually don't want promises to have to be awaited. Okay, I could just use void, sure. I don't think I should do this, honestly. This feels wrong. But I'm doing this just to see if I can get back data, you know? Be a string. what? How about I only set if there's a user? Actually, I shouldn't have to do that. Never mind. I'm also going to do this. I'm going to make this void or just await. Session now is, oh, I see, because I made it a string. I guess I do need this. So this is going to be of type session, and this is, it should come from this, I think. Let me go ahead and uninstall the NextAuth stuff so those types can go away. Right, let's get rid of that. And the other places where there's a NextAuth. Nope. Okay, so technically I don't want to use useState here. I think I would prefer to use useRef, but I am going to keep it as state for now and see for sure. So I am going to have to like make this complicated yet again. Oops, this is a function. Async one at that. Why is this? I'm like, why is this tripping and still? There we are. And now it's only upset that I'm not using secret message. Saying that its value is never read, but I'm pretty sure that's false. All right, at least it's not hard crashing like it was before. It's still crashing somewhere, probably here. Rid of all of that, no longer using it. Now it's upset because I don't have a sign in, sign out, but I think I want to say that Supabase ships with that. Let's see, Supabase client auth.sign in. Oh, that's sign out that we need, so we'll do sign out. And we'll do the same thing for sign in. Did not sign in. Oh, it's sign in with something. We'll say it was OAuth. Oh gosh, I had to configure something, I guess. Provider. Let's say GitHub. Or Discord, because that's configured as well. Let's say Discord. All right, so it's building. That's good. I think it's on port 3000. Ah, look at that. All right, cool. So let's see if sign in works. Okay, it doesn't. All right, I wasn't expecting it to, but yeah. So the reason why it's not working is because I need to enable that as a sign-in provider on the Supabase side. But I need to go. My realtor just texted me saying that she's on her way to pick me up to go look for a house. So yeah, hopefully, I don't know. Maybe you got something from that. I know it was a lot of me not accomplishing anything, but as you can see, it's a little bit more of a challenge for me because I'm having to learn all of this as I go. But if you are interested at all in what I'm doing in these types of videos, I recommend you check me out on Twitch or YouTube. And this is for those of you who are watching this on LinkedIn or Twitter. The main places where I stream is YouTube and Twitch. YouTube, if you want high quality VOD, is typically available on YouTube forever. Only available for 30 to 45 days on Twitch. Anyways, peace.